In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a locked folder in Google Drive. Before we begin, there's one important thing to clarify. The process shown here actually takes place inside Google Photos on your smartphone, where the locked folder feature is available for storing private images more securely. So if you were expecting to do this directly inside Google Drive, just keep in mind that this walkthrough uses the Google Photos app. Start by opening the Google Photos app on your smartphone. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want to manage your private photos. Once the app is open, give it a moment to fully load so all of the menu options appear properly. This makes it easier to find the feature without missing anything. Next, look for the collection section. This is where Google Photos organizes content into different categories and tools, so it's the area you'll need for accessing special folders and photo groupings. Depending on your device or app version, the layout may look slightly different, but the collections option should still be easy to spot within the main navigation. After you open Collections, scroll down until you find the locked option, then tap it to open. This is the secure area designed for photos you want to keep more private. In many cases, Google Photos may ask you to verify your identity using your phone's lock method, such as a fingerprint, face unlock, or screen passcode. That added verification is what helps keep the contents of the folder protected from casual access. Once you're inside the locked folder, you can start adding images. This is the part where your selected photos can be moved into that protected space. If you're organizing sensitive or personal images, this folder can be useful because it separates them from your main photo view and adds another layer of privacy on your device. As a quick tip, remember that items placed in the locked folder may behave differently from regular photos in your library, so it's a good idea to review how the feature works on your specific device. Also, take your time when moving images so you only place the intended files into the folder. And that's it. Open Google Photos, go to Collections, scroll to Locked, open it, and then add your images. It's a simple process once you know where to find the feature, and it can be a helpful way to keep certain photos more secure and organized.